in Arrow Rock, state historic site, the whole town. Several of their buildings are on the National Register of Historic Places. We've been here before. If you want to go back and check out the video, we cover all these special little stops in town. There's a whole map of little historic buildings to find, and we did all that in another video. We're here today because they're having a festival, and I wanted to come and check it out. It's called the Birds Plus Bees Festival, or Birds and Bees Festival, something like that. And they're supposed to have a, what did I say it was called? A garden market or something. So I'm assuming a farmer's market, which that's cool. So maybe I can get some fresh fruits or veggies or something like that. Well, we're going to go up here and we're going to check this out and see what all they have to offer. What are these people doing? She looks like she's catching butterflies. Is she catching butterflies? Some fishes.
They tied the string, put the turtle down, let him loose, and as the turtle went along, he would reel out the thread and they just follow the thread. That's how it goes.
I can't see. There's too much of a glare. Oh, there he is. He's right there.
Took all the fun out of it.
Ooh. Dang, there's too much glare. Can't do it. Well, you can't even see the snakes. What? You can't see them, the glare.
They're in there.
It could be an empty box with a name on it.
It says snake, I'm staying away.
And you can sort of see him. There's such a glare. Oh, there. You can see him. Hey, babe, come here. You can see this one.
I can see it from here.
This looks like a flea market section.
Yeah, I think you could really. Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at the little old spice jars. Those are old. Those are cool. Okay, well, I didn't buy anything there. But there was some pretty cool vintage kitchen stuff, so I had to stop and look at least. There looks like there's some more booths over here. We'll go down here and see what's over here. See if there's anything cool. I see some food trucks.
Yep, there's the Haunted Tavern.
Yep. Yeah, I think it's open now. Last time we were here, I think it was still closed because they had like a fire or something. Yeah, it's supposed to be haunted. And we should go in there and have a drink, see if we can see a ghost.
If I drink enough, I'll see something.
Flowers.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
Lowered the price, $10 a dozen. That's the
Oh,
bargain.
they smell good.
They are good. I'll vouch for that.
I don't need a dozen cinnamon rolls. I'd be eating them all. Philly cheesesteak. Better burgers. Better than what? I wonder if it's supposed to say butter burgers. What's a better burger?
Better than your average burger.
I can't believe there's no people with honey here. Oh, wait. There we go. They got honey. That's what I'm looking for. Some fresh honey.
He's like, ow, 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 ow. Just smile, pretend like you like it. Oh, first and
Okay.
It's enough.
Got some honey. Fresh honey from the Holder Hill Honey Farm, Nelson, Missouri.
That's only about 10 miles down the road.
Yeah, $6 for the little bottle. I can save that bottle and reuse it when I get done too, because it's glass.
Asian flavored croutons.
And everybody's just kind of laxing out.
I got yellow spots right.
That's a baby bumblebee.
That's a baby bumblebee. Don't shake it.
Well, it was a lot smaller than I expected it to be. And I didn't see any fresh fruits or veggies. So I'm not really sure. I guess the garden market was just plants, flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't really see anything aside from that.
I mean, I guess you could eat those.
Some of them you could eat. But I'm not really all about eating grass and flowers.
Yeah.
Even though I do want to try some dandelion tea one of these days, because I think that would be cool. And I did get some fresh honey, so that's exciting. Wow, that's a nice one. him up close so everybody can see him. There you go. Are you gonna kiss him?
No.
I hear fishermen are supposed to kiss their fish.
Not this fish.